Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Happinessmajoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today, on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this beautiful decor. Please ignore the wallpaper. Let's focus. Yes, this is the focus of the video. If you are interested, then keep watching. Hi guys, so on today's project we are going to need black spray paint. You will need some skewers. I have skewers here. I have short skewers and long skewers. You need a glue gun. You are going to need glue stick as well, just in case you run out of it. And then you're also going to need a mirror, guys. You're going to need a mirror. Sorry, mine is dirty. You will need a mirror, a pencil, and a foam board, cardboard, or a cake base. I decided to use a cake base because I find it's more heavier. Where I got these things, I'll leave a link down in the description box. So without further ado, let us jump right into the video. I'll try to make it most central as possible with just my eyes. So from my side, I can actually see the circle that I have drawn with my pencil is not as clear, but it is there. So when I'm putting the skewers, I'm going to be putting the skewers all around this little circle, which is the shape of the mirror, and then spray paint it black. Able to come up with. This is the pattern that I got after a lot of thinking. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to be spray painting this in black, and then I'll bring you guys and show you how it looks like. So this is what I was able to come up with. So I got these things from Kilimall or Jumia a while back. As you've seen on the picture that I've just displayed, it's supposed to be like covering a whole wall, but I got this tiny little thing, so yeah, this is the purpose now. Listen, look at this beautiful piece of art on the wall. Please ignore the nail, I'm going to do something about it. I decided to put it on this particular corner because my wallpaper ended at that particular point and this wall was just blank, like blank. I decided to put it there so that it adds something going on and it will not look funny. Tell me what you guys think about this down in the comment section. I'd really love to know. That's how we're going to engage, you know. I'm not done jigo for sure. Anyway, yes, I'd like to know your opinion. Please like, share, subscribe and try this out. If you do, please tag me on that video or any social media as happinessmajoni and I'll know that you actually tried this. I can't wait to see. Always remember to work hard, stay humble and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.